Greek yogurt. This is the brand of Greek yogurt I got. This one. I got a packet of. So I got window glass cleaner. I got the milk.
Staring at the tapestry above the bed you gave me. I still haven't washed my sheets, cause...
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. So today we are going to show you guys a grocery haul, or like September grocery haul. Yeah, so I'm going to show you guys everything I got for September. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give the video a huge and massive thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you have not, share, but comment, and let's see everything I bought for September. Anyway, let's go. So first of all, I got some Greek yogurt. This is the brand of Greek yogurt I got. This one. I got a crate of egg, which is right here. This is a crate of egg. Then inside here, I have Benny. I have 2 sardine fish. Here is just junks, biscuits, chocolate for madam for school. So I have it right here. Then I have fried rice spices, this particular brand. Then cleaner. So this mostly here is just jugs for her for school. Here is toiletries and the rest. I got Harpic. I got this for washing dishwasher. I think I'll remove this thing so that I have to remove the mic because I don't want, when I finish talking and I start editing it, I notice that some voices are not talking. So I got window glass cleaner. I got my cream, Dove cream. I got tissue, 6 of them. I got comfort. It says it's good for ants and the rest, so I want to try it out. I got hypo. I got flits. I bought this insect killer. That one is the electronic one. I got this one to disinfect the floor while mopping and washing toilets. I got room fresher, this particular one. I got pad. Also need pad. There is leave. And I got these 2 clean pro. I love the smell of this, so that's why I tried to buy it. Let me arrange this here. I think I'm not bad. I bought the clean frame. I bought foil for baking. I'm going to buy baking powder. I bought oatmeal. So the oatmeal I normally buy, they don't have it, and then I had this one. It didn't pay me, but this particular oatmeal now is 4,150, and in the counter it was not showing. It was showing 3 something. And when she asked me, I was like, "Why is it 4,000? Maybe you should update your counter." Anyway, I bought this one because now oats are the eats. And I bought cooking oil, Kings. I bought vinegar for salad, washing of vegetables and putting inside my salad. I got coffee. This is blend. Coffee don't like decaf. I got got this ketchup. Not see normal hens ketchup, so I bought this lassi. I hope this ketchup is good. Oga manager, he likes hens a lot, so but this shop they don't have hens. So I got a couple of indomie. I still have some indomie in the house, but I just bought an add-on. So I got like 10 pieces of indomie. I got some sugar for coffee, not for me, for hubby, and pancake for hubby and madam. I got another indomie, like 10. Then I tried to buy cowbell because I used to use Milo, but they don't have Milo. The Milo has finished. So I decided to buy cowbell. Let's try cowbell. Just hope this thing will boost my energy. I got peanut butter for either my what they call it again. My brain is up and back. I got bama for shawarma or for chicken wrap. I got ginger tomatoes. I got tasty tongue. This is the beef flavor. I was looking for the chicken flavor, they didn't have it, so I just bought the beef flavor. So, got this one for madam because if I do cornflakes for her, she will not eat it again. She will eat small and she will just hold it inside her mouth. To swallow it is problem. So I will just buy her different flavor of cornflakes and the rest so that anyone she feels like eating, she eats. So I got this Froster one. Then she likes this cheesy coconut flavor. These I go to school. It's like chips. So I got one with her. I got this is sausage. This is sausage. 2 sausages. I got another one. This one too. She likes this one again. I got this one for her. I got milk. I got myself green tea. I got myself red kidney beans. I got macaroni. I got the pasta twists. I got this. I have missed this a lot. I've missed this a lot, so I got this one. I got this tropical flavor. I wanted to buy 2, but they didn't have the small ones. And the small ones was going for like 5 something, 5.4. So they did not have the small ones, and I tried. Let me just buy this big one. I bought strawberry tea because I love fruit tea a lot. I got sweet corn. I got mixed jam because of pancake. I got cornflakes for her. I bought her pencil because that girl, she know how to spoil her pencil. I got spaghetti. I bought our bread for chicken wrap and the rest. I got some cheese. I got chickpeas. I got burger bread. I got smoked ham, smoked chicken, and turkey salami. Nah, it's because I'm hungry. That is why my head is upside down. I need to chow. I need to chow. I bought cooking cream. This is cooking cream. I got this one. 1 liter. But the other one looks more bigger than this one. The other one I bought the last time. Puppies. Let's put this in the going to hide this thing for that girl. I'll put inside line and hide it because that my daughter, she likes butter and she will lick it like that. She licks butter like that. So I got this for my green juice. They do not have spinach. So I just got parsley. I got broccoli, parsley, broccoli. Cucumber, and I bought 2 celery. So I'll just go and buy apple and ginger to blend it, so it will not be full green juice, but it will be like celery juice, because there's no kiwi. They didn't have kiwi. They did not have spinach. So I'll just go and buy lettuce, add this celery inside, and parsley and cucumber and ginger and apple, and blend it and drink it. Okay, this is the remaining 2 last bag and I am done. So this here is the protein. I got this smoked chicken. There you go. This smoked chicken, I got it. I got some chicken breasts and chicken leg and chicken wings. I bought minced meat. How many minced meat did they put for me? Maybe 2. Okay. I bought minced meat. Anyway, not pack this in there. Chicken leg. I bought beef for goulash. I bought another minced meat. I just believe that minced meat is good. I bought chicken breast, like 3 chicken breasts, 1 full chicken leg, wings, and the rest. Anyway, I'm done. Then for madam for school. The school has opened now, so school lunch wahala. It's everything I bought for September. Let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think all these things worth? Let me know. Okay, everything. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. I had to remove my mic to film the haul because I've noticed that each time I'm filming haul and I'm not offing it and refilming again, sometimes the mic does not connect well, and at the end of the day when I start editing it, I'll see that some places I talk, some places it's not talking. So bear the volume, the audio. Yes, the audio. Anyway guys, this is everything I got. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What do you guys think this worth? What do you know it's worth? Like, let me know how much you think it's worth. All right, I'm tired, I'm hungry. See you in the next clip.